So how you can make up to $2,000 US per day with this new high ticket, or let's say big ticket, affiliate marketing program or system, which is basically done for you, and its whole community built around it. So I started this system just a few weeks ago, and it works really well. I also positioned now as a 6th on the top 10 affiliates on the affiliate leaderboard of the company. So why I'm so excited about it is this, right? I watch many newbies take months or even years to get results online, making money online as an affiliate, right? Promoting low ticket clickbank products. But here you have the opportunity to make $500, $1,000 and $2,000 per sale. And the most important thing is you keep 100% of the commissions. So basically 100% of the commission per sale goes straight into your bank account. There is no middleman in between. So here is my Instagram. You can see, right? I've been doing this for a really long time, affiliate marketing, making money online. But what I really want to get across to you is this. I'm going to share it with you in my PowerPoint over here so you can understand how it works, right? You can see, first of all, if you are new to affiliate marketing, do the math. Ask yourself, how much money do you have to invest, right? And how much you want to make. So what is your income-wise goal? How much you want to make at the end of the month? And let's do this math together, right? As you can see over on my screen, I said do the math, and I have $2,000 times 10 sales. So let's say you have 10 sales in a month for $2,000. You made $20,000 US in commission. Now ask yourself what you could do with extra 20K per month. Now let's be more realistic. Let's say only make 5 sales per month. Not per day, not per week, but per month. 5 sales. And you are at $10,000 per month in profit. Now ask yourself what you could do with extra 10K per month every single month. If you have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, the whole community, and the system that's helping you to close the sales for you. So how much would you be willing to invest? Ask yourself this question. Now let's go further. This is the email copy that I used to close up to $8,000 programs. You see, you don't have to get on the phone calls. You don't have to do long ass webinars. You don't have to waste 2 months of your life away on some course that's going to teach you low ticket offers on clickbank. What you need is basically the system that's doing the marketing for you, so basically done for you, and then you put focus on the part where you are basically using the marketing system that was given to you when you invested in the system to make sales, right? So I'm giving this to my personal as a bonus. As you can see here, I have lots of different emails, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, DM messages that work really well to get hand raisers, right? People who are interested, audiences, and you don't need a lot of them, believe me. You only need qualified buyers. And once you have, let's say, 2 to 3 sales in a week, you're making $4,000 to $6,000 a week. Now this is really great income without having to spend lots of money on ads, on advertising, because the company will give you bonus clicks. So basically send traffic to your affiliate link, right? The visitors' eyeballs to your affiliate link, so you can get sales, right? This is one of the best ways to make money online. Now you can see people just like you. It's not just me. There are people like you watching this video right now who are getting great results. As you can see over here, she's a single mom from Australia, and she made $11,000 in her first 3 weeks of working on this system. So basically she used this system to make $11,000 in profits into her bank account, straightly deposited, because of this system. Another guy, Jared, we have here, he made $2,500 US in a day. Another person here, female, Tammy, she made $2,000, right? So you see, people just like you are making money online. Now, are they smarter than you? Probably not, right? Are they having 2 brains? No, they have 1 brain just like you watching this video, right? But so what is the secret? The main secret is that they're committed, they put in the action, they invest in the program, and they took action, right? If you procrastinate and wait, nothing will happen. You have to fail forward, right? To success, to get the results. So let me show you how this system works. Like, let me show you over here. Let me go here. So you can basically see how this system works, right? Now, let me go over here. And if you're watching this video, after watching this video, you will see below this video going to be links under my YouTube video. So in the bio, description below, you will go under, you see over here, right? And you will click on this setup done for you system here. You first click here on 10kmojo.com, right? Under this video watching right now is going to be links. And you can put your email here and click continue. You sign up for free, right? To this marketing done for you system. It's free first to sign up. And then what you're going to do after you sign up to this system, you will go over here back and click on this link, which is basically upgrade to Vertex Live. So you click again on this link, and what's going to happen is you're going to be redirected to this website. And what you can do is you have many options here, right? The beauty of this system is that you are getting 100% commission. So for example, if you were to invest $110, yeah, you will be only making $110 per sale. So what is the better option? What if you want to make $500, $1,000, and $2,000 a pop, $2,000 commissions per day? The best package, the best option you have, it's over here. You see, if you scroll down, you'll see Vertex Live. Yes, the investment is $2,500 US. And as you can see over here, you're getting all the trainings, you're getting all the bonuses over here, right? You're also getting mentorship, you're getting 200 clicks as an extra bonus, right, from the system that we are working with. So you're getting traffic, you're getting support, mentorship, and what you're getting from me you're getting here, as you can see, let me show you, you're getting super bonuses. So what are my super bonuses? Is a $10,000 starter kit campaign. So what you're getting is basically 1 to 3 or 4 paragraph emails and posts that I am personally using to close up to $10,000 in sales per program. In this case, only $2,000. So if you make one sale, you're making $2,000 per day. If you have 4 sales in a month, you make $8,000 straight into your Stripe account, your Bitcoin account, or your Bitcoin wallet, or in your bank account as a wire transfer, right? It's up to you, entirely up to you which payment you prefer, right? So as you're watching this video and as you begin to realize that this system can enable you to get closer to your income goals, right? To your income goals, so you can build up your marketing budget, so you have budget for your lifestyle, for traveling, for family, right? For bills, I don't know, car payments, anything that you need money for, right? It's much more faster. I wouldn't say easier, but I would say simpler. When you have simple approach, step by step, I get $2,000 to $1,000 per sale. You can do the simple math. Okay, I need 5 sales per month in order to make $10,000 per month. Now, this system is geared toward masses. So there are lots of people out there who are looking for self-help, personal development, growth, making money online. And if you have someone to guide you through step by step and show you the ropes, right? Show you how it's done, giving you these bonuses, as you can see. Basically, you don't have to get on the phone. You don't have to do any kind of webinars. It's all done for you. The system is done. You have to just click on play, on mouse, on your laptop, play button, right? And that's it. That's how it works. And then what you're getting from me is personal one-on-one call, mentorship, right? I'm going to show you what I'm using, so you can use organic free traffic to make those sales if you want to. I will also show you my Google ad campaigns that you can apply to if you want to make faster sales. But the most important thing is you will get these highly built emails and posts on Facebook, which you can put anywhere in text, SMS, WhatsApp messages, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, doesn't matter, right? Videos. You can use that to close the sales. And I can show you on live proof where I use these text messages to make huge commissions, to make up to $5,000 to $8,000 sales with different programs, not only this program, but many different programs I did in the past and currently. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results, you need to take action now. Why? Because tomorrow never comes. So if you procrastinate and wait, nothing is going to happen. So you have to take action now as you're watching this video. Know what to do next? If you're serious, if you want to be committed, if you want to have results, and if you see yourself as an action taker, as someone who is not making excuses, right, and to want to move forward, then what you can do is please contact me below this video, subscribe to my channel, and contact me below this video by clicking one of those links, and you will receive my VIP bonuses, which is basically my formula how to build a huge email list, how to promote this to your list so you can make huge commissions, $1,000 or $2,000 per sale per day as a newbie, as someone who wants to become professional super affiliate. So if you want to get results, click the link below this video. You can also reach out to me. All the links to my social media and WhatsApp are under this video. Reach out to me if you're serious and if you want to get results. As I mentioned before, take action now. Why? Because tomorrow never comes. And see you in the other side.